Hi everyone, welcome to Carol's Art Room. As you can see, I have just scraped a bloom that I did. I wasn't crazy about it. I had too much dark in the middle. So I scraped it all and put it in the middle. I'm gonna go over it. I think I need to go and get some more paint. It should be okay. I used phthalo blue on the bottom in the middle, and it was pretty dark. I'm going to put some again, but I'm going to just not put as much. Try that. I need a little more contrast. This is Sheleeart Bahama Blue. Just added some more water to it just to thin it down. Okay, I'm just going to put this phthalo blue just a little bit in the middle. There. Then I'm going to put the Bahama blue. Then I'm going to put this little piggy. Mermaid. I have Grumbacher Turquoise. Yeah, putting a lighter one in there will give some more contrast. This one is Blue Flash. Just a little bit of that. And then I have some white. Metallic white. Ooh. Okay. Let's give this another shot. This is Winsor & Newton Payne's Gray and Australian Floetrol. Let's try it. Cool. way better than the last one I did. See the phthalo blue? Last time it was so dark, so dark. Just wanna blow this out. That's good. Oh, that's very pretty. I'm glad I did it over again. I don't like this very much. Oops. That's okay. A lot of it will spin off. Okay. I don't think I'm going to even modify it. I'm just going to spin it. There. Let's give her a spin. I need to tip it this way more. Just pulling some of this blue off. I think I'm going to tip it this way. It seems to be all going one way. get the end off. Oh boy. Paint's flying at me. Okay, this end is good. Need to get this end done. Almost. Need some more white paint. I'll have to put some on. See if I can. Blow this out. Ooh, we're almost there. I go the other direction. Yeah, good. Okay, let's see if it's moving at all. I think it's pretty good now. One more little spin. There. I love these colors. The colors came out much better in the second one. Too much phthalo blue and ultramarine blue take over, so be careful not to use too much of that unless you want a lot of it. But okay, I think I'm done. I hope you enjoyed this one. I'll put the dried result at the end of the video, so stick around till the end, which is coming up in a minute, coming up in a few seconds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. There. Wow, that's pretty. Hi everyone. So here's my large bloom. Wow. I really like this. It dried awesome. Take you in for a good close up. Look at those pretty cells and that pretty colors. I love these colors. Yeah, this is awesome. This one might have to hang in my house somewhere. Wow. Thanks for watching, and have a good day. Bye.